Hey YouTube, so I wanted to talk about the basic wheels from Hot Wheels, those plastic, you know, decent looking wheels. So this is a 2020 Jaguar F-Type, and as you can see there's a slight differences. I added black details to the spoke of the wheels to, give it some life. This is a 10 spoke wheels. As you can see at the back, that's pretty much how it looks like. And I added those dark shade of each spoke, like half of it, to give it a like a two-tone design. And you can always do it yourself. You can have your imagination or so. And this is pretty much how I ended up. um, it's nothing fancy, it's very basic, and like I said, you can always do it yourself. Try to be creative instead of doing a wheel swap. No, this works fine for me. Just trying to break away the norm. As you can see on this side, it totally looks different and quite new to the eyes. Here's another example. This is the BMW M4. It's a PR5 wheels. This time around I shaded the half length of the spokes, all of the spokes, which resulted to like a two-tone again. Again, nothing fancy, it's very basic, and I like the way it looks. Now, this is more controversial. The Panamera Sporturismo. It's a J5 design, but I don't know. I mean, it looks very basic. The spokes are very thin. Again, you can always make up your own, and I ended up being lackluster, I guess. But I'm gonna leave it at that. Here's another example, the Audi RS5. It's a Y5 wheels, and I detailed the rim in black, and also inside the spokes I added silver and a black line, again to make an illusion of a 3D effect or a multi-spoke effect. So yeah, just trying out some new stuff with this basic wheels from Hot Wheels and Matchbox. So please check out my other videos. If you're stopping by for the first time and haven't already, please do subscribe to my channel.